Good morning. Today we're going to talk about brand and what it means and how companies utilize it. Today I will go over employee importance in promoting the brand and how different leadership styles either negatively or positively affect brand promotion and the employees. I will conclude by bringing all this together to explain how this affects our job and the importance of brand recognition. Companies who have a large market penetration are able to produce a brand identity that myself or even customers can relate to. One of these companies, for example, is Starbucks. Starbucks is recognized for having outstanding customer service by remembering customers' names, making wonderful drinks, and also creating an environment that customers feel like they're visiting a comfortable setting with each visit. When thinking about customers, one recollects good drinks, good customer service, and a friendly atmosphere. Target is another company who cares about brand identity. Target actually recruits employees who mirror their mission statement of Target by making the preferred shopping destination for their guests by delivering outstanding values, continuing motivation and innovation, and creating an exceptional guest experience. Target management ensures that every employee conducts themselves in accordance to the mission statement, or proper action will take place. So by now I bet you're wondering, what is brand? How does brand affect me? Well, according to the article titled Turning Employees into Brand Champions, brand could be one's perception of a company drawn from its tangible features. The brand I'm referring to specifically focuses on perception of a service brand and the behavior of their frontline staff. Frontline employees help mold a brand identity, and it's like saying that they are the face of the company. For example, Starbucks CEO was quoted as saying, "I believe in the power of the brand and in our founding mission, and most of all our partners." And when he says partners, he refers to employees. So you can see having a strong belief in employees is important, but those employees need guidance when it comes to promoting the brand. So this is where two leadership styles come into play. The first is transactional leadership, which is the idea that leaders influence their followers through a process of compliance, which in this case unfortunately generates a negative effect of brand building. Another way to put it is it's like brand building. This type of style is brand building, and it's a way to command and control the setting, and it doesn't really leave a lot of room for employees to adopt and take ownership of the brand. And the second leadership style is transformational leadership, which is the idea that leaders allow their followers to accept corporate brand values as their own. This leadership allows employees the freedom to take upon themselves to make the brand their own and to make brand a reality, such as Starbucks employees do. So let's ask ourselves, which leadership style is more efficient? While transactional leadership is well for short-term purposes and may be the way to go, companies who embrace brand and brand identity search for longer-term benefits, in which case transformational leadership allows employees to feel like they're a part of brand and brand identity, which is more appealing. Both Target and Starbucks are infamous brands, and the appeal is because employees can take ownership, also the many locations, both companies' size, and the wonderful customer service that both companies provide. Companies entertain the idea of transformational leadership because this allows employees to take ownership of the brand. And always remember, brand needs to start and end with the frontline employees in order to have a successful company. I'd like to thank you, and I hope that what you've learned today you can use inside your everyday work world.